Hi, I'm Rob Booker. I'm the author of The Wallaby Trade, which sold 10 million copies, and I wrote with a unicorn horn that spewed rainbow-colored ink.
You can't say that.
Well, I can't say what.
You can't say 10 million copies or that thing about the unicorn horn.
Well, I didn't actually write it with a unicorn horn, but I didn't want to alarm people.
That's disgusting. Just get to the point.
All right, well, I'm the author of The Wallaby Trade, a book I published, I don't know, a few months ago. Right after I published that book, which is about turning points in the stock market, the futures market, or the Forex market, I got an email from this guy, Chris, in England. Now, I get a lot of emails every day, but this one, it was a little bit different. Chris mentioned that he'd read the Wallaby Trade book cover to cover, and that he had developed an automated trading robot that used the principles in this book to trade profitably. Now, I scratched my head for a minute and I thought, well, I did write a book that was designed to be rule-based, use objective rules, have a good reward to risk ratio, so why wouldn't it be possible? And a short time thereafter, Chris wrote me and said, the Wallabot is done. And I'm like, what the heck is the Wallabot? He had spent months designing an automated expert advisor for the Metatrader trading platform that traded divergence, or turning points in the market, automatically. And you know what? It made $1 trillion.
You can't say that.
Well, all right. Well, it's going to be used to balance the U.S. federal deficit.
You can't say that either.
Well, fine. The truth about the Wallabot is this. It works. There are three main things that I love about the Wallabot. Number one, it trades profitably. It's trading profitably right now in real live market conditions. It's not a scalping system, so it doesn't depend on minuscule spreads from your broker or never trading around the news. Number two, it's been back-tested using industrial, institutional strength back-testing methods. You can find more about that out in just a minute. Number three, something really important. Its winners are much bigger than its losers. You know, and come to think of it, it also doesn't do three other really important things. It doesn't add to losing trades. This isn't some kind of ridiculous martingale trading strategy that has a 100% win percentage because it never closes a losing trade. No, in fact, the Wallabot, when it's wrong, closes a trade lightning fast, really quickly. We don't hang on to the losers. Number two, its winners are not smaller than its losers. It rides the winners for about a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio every time. And last of all, and I kind of think this is the most important concept, it's not based on fancy, fragile, cockamamie algorithms, something dreamed up in a laboratory by a bunch of coney-head, pointy-headed people. The Wallaby Trade and the Wallabot is a trading system based on sound principles that have been around since the beginning of the financial markets themselves. But don't take my word for it. At Right, or this Right, or whichever Right on this webpage, you can sign up right now for more information about the Wallabot. It's not available to the general public right now, but on October 1st, 2011, we're going to release 100 copies of the Wallabot to early bird individuals who want to trade profitably, hassle-free, with no BS. Now, keep in mind, we've already had pre-orders from every citizen of the nation of Pakmanistan.
Pakmanistan? Really?
All right, we actually got about 1,000 email requests already without even trying. And it's all going to be done on a first-come, first-served basis. So jump over here to the right, type in your email address, and I'm going to tell you all about how the Wallabot was created and explain to you how it was back-tested in a sound, reasonable way. And if you sign up for that more information, you're also going to qualify for a special discount not available to anyone else. In fact, could I even say that the price is magical?
If the price is really that good, yes, you can say that.
All right, well, the price is magical, and this is why. Chris and I are trading the Wallabot on our live accounts. We're not selling the Wallabot to get rich. We're selling the Wallabot and including support to help you get set up and staying with you for the long haul in a community of like-minded Wallabot traders for one reason. The world of robotic trading is a minefield of BS. The Wallaby Trade is based on sound principles. The Wallabot's based on the Wallaby trade, and I'd like for you to be one of the first people to have access to it. So send us your email address, and we'll send you an enormous pile of awesome information. So go ahead, type in your email address today. We'll hear from you soon.